Sa biblikong pananaw, ang pagbibigay po ay pagbabahagi. At ang pinaka-goal natin is to rescue, meaning to help. Nangyari po yan sa early believers, mga kapatid. Ang record po ay nasa Acts chapter 4. Okay, Acts chapter 4. At babasahin ko po mula po verse number 32. Kung may Bible po kayo, pwede nyo pong sundan. Ganito po ang sabi, "And the multitude of them that believed were of one heart and of one soul. Neither said any of them that he ought of the things which he possessed was his own, but they had all things common. And with great power gave the apostles witness of the resurrection of the Lord Jesus, and great grace was upon them all. Neither was there any among them that lacked, for as many as were possessors of lands or houses sold them, and brought the prices of the things that were sold, and laid them down at the apostles' feet, and distribution was made unto every man according as he had need. And Joseph, who by the apostles was surnamed Barnabas, which is being interpreted the son of consolation, a Levite, and of the country of Cyprus, having land sold it, and brought the money, and laid it at the apostles' feet." Ito po ang isang napakagandang pananaw na ang pagbibigay po ay pagtulong. Ito po ay pagbabahagi. Giving is sharing. Kung may mga nangangailangan, it is God's will for us to help them, to rescue them. Sa usapang church, may mga needs sa church na kailangan pong mabigyan ng pansin. So it is good to learn that in the biblical perspective, sa usapan ng giving, it is sharing. May mga pagpapala po tayo, ang kalooban ng Diyos, magbahagi po tayo. Tumulong po tayo. Sumaklolo po tayo. So, yan po ang isa sa biblical perspective sa usapan ng giving.